Perhaps the biggest blow to the biggest startup in the world, London regulators have denied a private car hire license for Uber, the ride-sharing company, which has 40,000 drivers in Europe's biggest city and is used by as many as 3.5 million people. The license that is currently existing will expire at the end of this month, and Transport for London says it will not be renewed. They have issues with public safety, and they say there has been a lack of corporate responsibility within the company. This is, again, a hammer blow to Uber, and considering the fact that it has lost market share in key markets in Asia and has been knocked back by regulators all around Europe, this is going to be a major challenge for the new CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi. Now, Transport for London says they have all sorts of issues with respect to public safety and, of course, again, with respect to corporate responsibility. But they also mention something called Greyball, which is a software system that Uber has in place, which many people say is designed to evade regulation. It's designed in some ways to get away from the regulators and to potentially allow drivers to evade speed cameras and other public safety mechanics. Now, the company denies this, and they say they are actually going to appeal the Transport for London decision. But it has been backed by London's mayor, Sadiq Khan, so it does seem like a very steep road to climb for Uber if they are indeed to operate here in the city. One of its rivals, Addison Lee, is also awaiting a decision from TFL with respect to its own private hire license, and it certainly is going to be a boon for London's black cab industry, which of course is regulated by the Metropolitan Police. But nonetheless, Uber been dealt a hammer blow here in Europe. It will no longer be allowed to pick up or take passengers in Europe's biggest city as of the end of September. It's going to affect 40,000 drivers and 3.5 million customers, and is yet again another challenge for the world's biggest startup.